This how to 1 minute will show you how to change your password in WordPress. Follow this easy and step-by-step guide to change your WordPress password. First of all, log into your WordPress dashboard and scroll down to this left-hand side. Hover over on User and click on Profile. Scroll down and here you will get your username. To change your password, scroll down and here you will get this option Set New Password. So click on it. Now here you will get a generated password. To change this password, simply delete this. And now type a new password here and click on Set New Password. Now scroll down and click on Update Profile. And this is how we can change WordPress password. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe How to 1 Minute. See you in the next video.